Potential jurors should be vaccinated and prosecutors need to start working. That is according to several motions filed this week in the case against the three men charged with murdering Ahmaud Arbery. 25-year-old Arbery was shot to death on a suburban Georgia street last February. In one motion, the attorney for one of the defendants, William Roddy Bryan, accused Georgia prosecutors of deliberately dragging out their investigation. He also asked the judge to proactively help potential jurors get vaccinated and to set a date for jury selection as soon as possible. Unlike the other two defendants, Bryan invoked his right to a speedy trial. All three men have pleaded not guilty.
New tonight at 5.